Today we're unboxing the Lenovo ThinkPad X390 Yoga. This is an Ethernet dongle. And power cord, brick. I believe this is a 65 watt. Yeah, 65 watt USB-C. Take the foam brick approach. There's some useless documents in the bottom of the box. See the power button, mini SD card, USB, and HDMI port, security cable lock. On the other side, we have that USB-C, 2 of those, and then this is the mini Ethernet where that adapter plugs in. Another USB, headphone jack, the vents on the back. Completely rotates. Big difference on this one, the keyboard does not recess. It appears they've removed that feature in this model. So this is replacing the X380, which I previously took a look at. And in that model, the X380, the keyboard actually recessed when you turn this, which is similar to a similar functionality. This is definitely thinner and lighter than the X380. So looking forward to trying it out.